Look at that. This is why you don't buy leggings from Forever 21, because of that. See this? What's poppin', people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nezzy in the building, and today I am coming to you guys with a vlog. I also got a box in here that, let me show you guys. So I have a dresser that I need to put in the room. So this is huge. It's really big, very big. So I made room for it, and it needs to go here. So the dresser is there and it needs to go here. So this wall is huge. It doesn't, I don't know if it's doing any justice on the camera. I am zoomed in a little bit, but yeah, we need to move the dresser from there here. That's a headboard that I am not using. Don't know what to do with it. For all I know, it's going to stay in the closet because this dresser matches this headboard. So I'll show you guys the dresser anyway, but that's how the headboard looks. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyway, we got to take care of this. So I already kind of started pre-cutting it. So I haven't taken it out the box yet, but honestly, I already cut the box. And voila, there's the dresser. So I was already opening it, so I was like, let me just vlog this. I mean, it's not nothing interesting about me taking a dresser out the box, but this is pretty heavy. So I already cut it open. I don't want to destroy the box for any reason that I mean, it's not going back. It's already here, and it took a while to get here, so it's not going anywhere. So I'm just going to put it in that room over there so that I can start cleaning the living room. This living room is a mess. So we're going to get this out. I don't know where I'm going to set my camera up so that you guys can see my process. I'm very small and petite, but I know how to maneuver heavy objects. We're going to move this dresser into there. So let's go. I want to show y'all this too. I keep freaking losing this damn scrunchie. In my last video, I said I was looking for this and it was around my freaking camera. I was looking for it again yesterday. Both of these actually. And I keep putting it in places that I know I would see it, but I just forget to look there. It's so freaking annoying, but I'm glad I found it. Anyways, I just want to hop on here and show that. That was so irrelevant. I don't know why I had to show y'all that, but I found my scrunchie again. Anyway, let's jump into moving this dresser. I'm trying to take it off the box or out of the box, and it's stuck to something. It's a piece of wood down here, so I don't know if it's stuck to that piece of wood or what, but it's like it's not coming out the box. Y'all can't see. It's a piece of wood right here, and I'm trying to, I don't know if it's stuck to if it's attached to this or not, but I was trying to flip it and it's not coming up. Like, it's not moving. So I don't want to push the shit over, but I mean, if that's what I have to do, that's what's about to happen, because that is so weird. Oh, okay, I'm not trying to tear up the box just yet. And then I opened the drawers and the legs are right here. What else is in here? What's this? Oh, those are the handles. Okay, so these are the handles that go here. And those are the legs that go at the four corners of the dresser. nothing in here. Some more screws. Oh, this is from this brand. I don't know if you guys care to know. There's nothing in there. Okay, so the rest of them, I need to, okay, I might pause y'all for a minute until I figure out how to get this dresser off of this. Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna need to flip it either this way or try to flip it up this way so that I can see what's going on with this bottom, because it's not coming out. I think the wood is stuck to the box and the dresser is attached to the wood that's stuck to the box, and it's not coming off. So this shit really about to irk my nerves already. Stuck to the, do y'all see this? It's stuck to the freaking box. Okay, I got it off the wood. Okay, so let me show y'all how they had this on here. And I still have to flip it up to put the things on. But this is like the texture of it. The front, how it is now, that's like the true color of it. It's like a white, woody type of thing going on here. And then here's the top. It's pretty, isn't it? And this is what it was stuck to. You see them nails? Like, what if I would have stepped on that shit? Nails right there. So now I want to look at the bottom and see how they had that, because this shit was tough. So I'm gonna push this out the way. I'm gonna set you guys back up and see if I can screw this bottom. And there's nothing special back here. So we have successfully gotten it out of the box. There we have it. One leg on, so now I have to put the other one on. So I have 3 more that I have to put on. And where's the other one? Right here. So I have to put the these other legs on. Okay guys, so I'm about to start putting on the drawer hooks. So it's only really 3 pieces. So this one has a long little leg right there that you just put through the circle part, and then you connect this to the front, and then on the back side of the dresser you just screw it together. So that's what I'm about to do real quick. I have 8 of these to do, so I'm just gonna speed this part up as I go along. So I have 7 more to do. I'm probably just gonna come back once I get done and show you guys, because I mean, it's kind of pointless of me showing you guys this, but I just did one, so I'm just gonna do the rest of them just like that. So I'll see you guys once I get those done. Alright you guys, so I just wanted to hop back on really quickly and show you guys that I did connect all the hardware to the dresser. So we officially have a put together functional. See, this is what I was talking about. I don't understand why they had 2 hooks on here when it's only one dresser, but you know what? It works. So they're all connected there. And again, just to give you a little bit of detail, so I just gotta put some furniture polish on here and everything will be Gucci. Ta-da! It kind of matches the floor in the kitchen. The only difference is this has like white speckles. It's literally the floor in the kitchen. Yeah, it doesn't have the white thing either. And as I mentioned, it matches the bed. So this is like the end of the bed. It has the same hardware. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's literally the same thing. Yep. Yeah, literally the same thing. All right you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I was gonna continue to film throughout the rest of the day, but that was a workout within itself, trying to put together that dresser and move it, and like, no, it was a lot. I'm tired, so I'm about to take me a shower, fix me something to eat, and then start on my pre-makeup look that I said I was gonna do if I go out. And other than that, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.